In conversations with you, my real estate family, there's been this pressing question: what's next? What's the market doing? What do we expect to see? And those are such great questions, because even as a professional in my industry myself, I have myself asking the same questions. We have been, told for so long about these rate drops and when they're expected, and just for them to fall flat. We're just not seeing a lot of movement. We also were told that, we should see an approximate 40% increase in volume in the fourth quarter, which we're not quite seeing yet, after a record low of inventory being sold, transactions selling for 2023 and 2024 in a 30-year history. So I'm going to be sharing with you some weekly updates, so we can really keep a pulse on the market together. So let's take a look at what's really going on in Portland, Oregon, and the Vancouver, Washington metro markets. All right, the weekly highlights for the Portland Metro, November 8th through the 15th, which was last week's data from RMLS, our local MLS, supports an increase in new listings of 7%, 548 in our area. The days on market remains the same at 59 days, and pending sales are down 3.1% with 2,329. Average sales price is up 2.8% at an average sales price of $619,400. And median sales price is still up as well, 1% at $534,300. And closed sales are up quite substantially at 14.8% in closed sales. So the Portland metro market is definitely continuing to look strong through the fourth quarter. Now let's move on over to look at the Southwest Washington for the same week, last week, November 8th through the 15th, and see what Over the Bridge is doing. We've seen a decrease in new listings of 4.8%. So new listings on the Southwest Washington side is 139. Days on market are at 59%. That's on par with Portland metro market, but the days on market were higher. So they're showing a trend, because the days on market are down 28.9%. So we're seeing a little bit of a shorter market time for this past week versus the week prior. Pending sales down 1.4% at 790 transactions, homes pending last week in the Vancouver, Washington metro market. And the average sales price is up, really faring in same price on the Vancouver, Washington metro market side as Portland at $641,900 with a median sales price of $565,000, which is showing an increase in median sales price over the week before of 3.1%. Closed sales are down at 80 and 12.1% closed sales price. So that is your Monday market update with Melissa. Got a question? Go to homesbylewisrealtors.com. Reach out, let's connect, and stay tuned next week for another market update.